Today we're focusing on capitalization. There are a lot of different words that require capitals when you're writing or reading. And today I've broken those down, or some of them down, into this top box up here. This is going to be your category or what you're focusing on as you're capitalizing today. So for the first few screens, we're going to be focusing on names. So anytime I have a name of a person or a pet or a teacher or a doctor, anything like that, I need to capitalize the first letter in their name. Just like when you write your name, you capitalize the first letter. So there's a sentence written for you down here, and then there are yellow boxes over here where you need to highlight what letters should be capitalized in these names that you see. So let's do this first one together. It says, do you know where my friend Katie went? I see one name in that sentence, and that's the name of Katie. And I know that I have to capitalize that name, so I'm going to take one of these boxes, I'm going to click and drag it over to the K to highlight that that K should be capitalized. So there are a couple over here, and all of them have names for their category. And then we go to proper nouns. Proper nouns is also a name, but it's not a name of a person. It's rather a name of a place. Could be a person, but all of these that I've made are names of places. So I love going to Cedar Point and riding all of the roller coasters. So my place here is Cedar Point. I'm going to have to capitalize both of those words. So I'm going to take two of these boxes. I'm going to highlight the beginning letter for both of those words. The C and the P should be capitalized. Okay, there's a couple of those for you to practice with. Then we have calendar words. I'm not going to do any more, so you can do that by yourself, but I will explain it. Calendar words, that should be any of the days of the week that you see or any months of the year that you see. So a few of those for you to practice with. And then we have holidays. So any holidays that you or anyone else you know would celebrate. Those need to be capitalized. And then the last one is a challenge one. This has everything in it. So you need to make sure you're finding all of the capitalization mistakes, following all of the capitalization rules that you know and have learned. When you're all done with this challenge one at the end, you may turn it in.